Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, we will be testing out the Rizos curls. Now I got this from Target. It was $15, I believe. You can also get the bigger bottles, but they were $25. So I'm like, I need to try the product first before I spend $25 on each individual bottle. So in here we have the shampoo, the conditioner, and the defining cream. So I'm gonna let you guys know how it reacts to my hair and give you guys my honest opinion on it, and then you can go from there. So let's get started. Okay y'all, so I am back. I like the smell of the shampoo. I just feel like it strips your hair. So if you're not a type of person that likes things like that, I know there's no alcohol in here or whatever, but it definitely strips your hair. Like, it makes it feel a little on the drier side, should I say. But I love the conditioner. We're gonna go in with the conditioner. I just started putting some on my hair. We're gonna put some on the tips of our hair. So I just read this thing and it's like, this is a travel size. This is their travel kit. So if you're traveling, this would be perfect for you to put in your bag because it's only enough, I think, for 2 washes, y'all. So just FYI, if I still have some shampoo left over, and I also still have conditioner. So it's enough for 2 washes. I'll probably wash my daughter hair with this to see how her hair turns out with it. But you can get up to 2 washes out of this little bottle. So that's not bad at all. So I like to just tie my hair up when I put the conditioner on it and just chill under the blow dryer for a little bit, like 15 minutes, and then rinse it out. It's up to y'all what y'all like to do, but that's just how I like to do my hair, so that, you know, the moisture really sets into my curls. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wrap this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer for a little bit, and I will be back to do the styling so that you guys can see everything. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. My hair is feeling very much refreshed. I wasn't a huge fan of the shampoo, but I love the conditioner. Like, it really feels really soft. Your hair it feels amazing afterwards. I'm gonna go in now with the curl defining cream. So we're gonna go in with this, and this is coconut oil, aloe, and shea butter in this. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this is about. Now I do like to use my Denman brush, and I do like to part out my hair. It is still wet. I will be going in sections for this. Applying a small amount on my hand. It smells good. Now that's one thing I definitely would say. Everything in here definitely smells good. So I think the shampoo has like sunflower oil. That smells really good. Okay, so when I get halfway, I like to use some oil. Y'all know I love my coconut oil. And not a lot. And I just put this on the ends of my hair just to hydrate it, lock in some moisture. You guys know I have colored hair, so I don't want my hair to be falling out. So you want to make sure you keep your hair moisturized. So yeah, like I told y'all, it's still enough product for me to wash my hair again. So you can use this product at least 2 times. And like I said, it was about $15. So if you wanted to get the individual, they are about $25 for one. And if I do go back and get one, I will definitely get the conditioner, because like I said, I love the way that made my hair feel. It was so soft. It smelled so good. My scalp felt clean. Okay, y'all, so I don't like that this is giving me a puffy look. I'm not somebody that's too into that, like afro. I mean, I am, but no. So what I am going to do is use my extreme gel just to, you know, lay it down. But I like my hair to be like, I like my curls to be more defined looking, and this not giving me that. So I feel like even if it dried, it was still gonna be puffy. And I don't like that. So I'm gonna go in with my extreme And when you're putting this on, you kind of like want to rake your hands through it and kind of like tease the curls a little bit. Okay guys, so if you're wanting to get the ramen noodle style that I always post on my Instagram with my hair is like sleeked and it's all wavy, you will need to comb your hair all the way through. You cannot just comb the bottom. You have to comb the top and the bottom in order for you to get those consistent waves. And I use extreme gel like I just showed you guys, and you have to water your hair in each part. You cannot skip these steps. Like you have to in order for you to get that if you have my hair texture. That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. But we're gonna go ahead and do that. I am gonna wet my hair. Cause like I told y'all, that stuff, that's like for my baby. Like that's not for, I didn't like the way that did my hair. So I'm glad they let you sample it before you actually spend all your money on the $25 bottle. Cause I mean, goodness gracious, that's like $75 for 3 bottles. No sis, we're not gonna do that. I feel like my hair pattern has changed since I dyed my hair. And I love it. Like the curls are so much easier to maintain. I mean, they were easier before, but my hair is very coily. So I feel like it's not as coily as it was, which makes it easier for me when I'm trying to do my hair or style it, anything like that. So I like the fact that it's easier to do. Now, it's always been hard for me to find products, so that's why I always stick to either Extreme or Eco Styling Gel because they have always worked for me. So I'm gonna let you guys see how it looks. I could feel it and I could tell that it's already curly. So this is how it looks. This is usually how it dries together unless I like break it apart once I'm done. But for the most part, this is how it's going to stay. And I usually just put a band on there, like a little small black band. Or if you have like one of those headbands, you can put it on, it's up to you. I do like to use the same Extreme Gel to do my edges. So that's what I'm about to do now. I still have not found my edge brush and I was gonna go to the dollar store and buy me another one, but I just haven't had time to. So sad. I'm gonna use this black strip just to lay my edges down until it dries. And once my hair is done drying, I'll be back to show you guys the final look. So stay tuned. Okay y'all, so my hair hasn't fully dried yet, but I am gonna take off my little wrap. This part always scares me because I'm like, is my edges dry? Don't rip off my edges now, okay? So the next thing you want to do is get you a pick. I actually found this pick at my local beauty supply store and it is plastic. I am going to use plastic from now on because the one I had before this was metal and then it started rusting for no apparent reason. So I had to get another one, but I will be using plastic. So, and this is a nice big one. So what you want to do is pull your hair over, start picking a little bit. Don't like pick it out, but you're just giving your hair a little more volume, okay? So it's not so stiff. Like I said, my hair is not fully dry at the moment, but it is almost dry, so that's the good thing. And what you can do now is, I have these in so many colors. I have a thicker one, but I just don't know where I put it, but you can get you a little scrunchie. This is what I do. And I just put it like right there on my hair. And I wait for my hair to fully dry. Once it's fully dry, it's gonna be so pretty. And the curls will stay the same way how they are right now. They're gonna remain that way the entire day. So it's up to you if you want to use some spritz. I haven't put any spritz in my hair, but sometimes I do use that little greenish purple foam spritz that you can put on your hair and it's like a holding spray. But I don't need to do that today because my hair is holding up just fine. But if you wanted to, that could be an alternative for you to do. If your hair, you know, you feel like if you go outside and the humidity just gives you a fro real quick. You can use that because I use that all the time and it always keeps my hair literally stiff, not moving. just the curls are stuck in place. But today I felt like I wanted the curls to be a little more free, loose, and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna put it on today. Okay, y'all, I am back and my hair is dried. I'm gonna take my pick and just pick it a little bit just to add a little, volume now that it's dry. Y'all, it dried so nice. So if I use that product again, I would have to use something else with it, like a gel, in order to get the type of style I like. So just so you know that. So this will be one of my go-to hairstyles. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy to do. Let me tell y'all about the product. I don't think I would get the product. The only thing I think I would get is the conditioner, as I told y'all before. I really like the conditioner. It made my hair very soft, very manageable, easy to detangle it once it was under there. And after I rinsed it out, my hair was so soft. But as far as the shampoo and the curling style, or the curling definer, that wasn't for me. I'm sorry. So I may use the conditioner along with my main choice shampoo. And then after that, I'll use my Extreme, because my Extreme and my Eco are the two. I don't use them together, but I use them separately. But they give me the best look when it comes to like defining my curls. Those two products are like extremely good on my hair. So I would stick to my main choice shampoo. If anything, I may buy that conditioner. Like I said, it was $25. So I don't know. But I do not like the shampoo, and I did not like the curl defining cream. I feel like my Extreme does such a good job, and also my Eco Styling Gel does such a good job with holding my curls in place. And this right here, and it actually says on here, it says the ultimate travel kit for keeping your curls looking stunning on the go. For defined, bouncy, shiny, frizz-free curls. This wasn't it, fam. I'm sorry, this wasn't it. My hair was definitely poofy. It was an afro. And my curls wasn't full of no volume. It was bouncy, I'll say that. It wasn't defined. It was not shiny. Okay. So if I had to rate this, I'd probably give it like a 5, I guess, out of 10, or 1 out of 10. I give it a 5 because I really did like the conditioner. But other than that, I didn't like anything else in there. And I'm glad I was able to purchase this because I was able to get all 3 of them together for one, which I rarely even see stuff like that. But I was able to get all 3 of them together instead of paying $25 for each bottle, because I would have been pissed. And they don't do anything for my hair. So I'm gonna turn around for you guys so you can see the back of my hair. And like I said, when I do my hair like this, it is not stiff unless I add like some type of spritz or something like that to it. Other than that, it is like bouncy, shiny, just ready to go. And it's up to you. I have tons of these little bands because I make them. And you could put this on if you wanted to. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks with the band on. It will look something like this with the band on. So this is something that you could definitely do. You could do it in all colors. You can do the thin ones. You could just keep it with the little scrunchy thing that I use, which is the black tie I got from the Dollar Tree. It comes in like all different colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, don't forget to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.